oMathane, oNonzaba, oSnama, oMganu, oGcuma, oNgxonsa, oNgqatshane, oKhawulela, oBhuku, oNxele, you name it. Omlatsheni is large, you name it.
Nonxele.
Is. Unxele ke among others, according to the people aba-intervieweyo onxele kweza ndawo zase-KZN. Among the most prominent people bakwaNxele, Pixely Isaiah Seme, who conceptualized the establishment of the African National Congress. Yes. And one of the things which are significant moments in the history of amaXesibe is the fact that, which many people often do not know, the combined army of amaXesibe under General Nogula, the son of Snama, and Madzikane of the Bacas defeated Shaka Zulu on the Nunge Mountains, which were renamed iNtsizwa Mountain. Kulapho iNtsizwa zikaShaka zafela khona. They say at that moment the snow covered the mountain. Others say it was Madzikane's Mutis who caused the snow. So that's the first one. The second one, uMadzikane wamaBhaca.
Okay.